Hello friends! Welcome to the 7th episode of our Europe trip with yet another fantabulous excursion in the Swiss paradise. In this video, I'm going to show you all the mesmerizing beauty of the Mount Matterhorn and the stunning views of the Swiss Alps from Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. I will also give you information about how to get here, the tickets, things to do here, things to know before you go, precautions to take and much more. So get ready for this fabulous virtual excursion. Before your holiday in the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, it's worth checking the weather and the visibility at Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. You can check it from Meteo Swiss app or the real-time webcams on Matterhorn Glacier Paradise website. Other very important tip, this place is at high altitude, therefore keep yourself very well hydrated, have enough water and food, carry enough tidbits with you and don't forget to wear UV protective sunglasses. Here is how to get to Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. Firstly, you will have to reach Zermatt, the car-free region in Switzerland. For getting to Zermatt, no matter where you stay, you can check the train connections on SBB app and take the train or bus connections as per your convenience. From Zermatt rail station, you can either walk for 20 minutes or take an electric car which costs CHF 12 to reach the gondola station. Your trip begins at the gondola station. You have to change 3 gondolas to reach the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. First gondola takes you to Furi at 1640 meters. While ascending, you will get to see a bird's eye view of the Zermatt village. Second gondola takes you from Furi to Trockner Steg at 2939 meters. If you are already tired, grab something to keep you going at Trockner Steg restaurant. Third and the last gondola takes you from Trockner Steg to Klein Matterhorn, famously known as Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. In this ride, you have an option to choose from various types of gondola rides. You can choose a regular gondola ride or the crystal gondola ride, which has glass floor that becomes transparent in 3 minutes once the ride begins. Furthermore, you can even choose a VIP gondola, breakfast gondola or a fondue gondola. The entire journey from Zermatt rail station to Matterhorn Glacier Paradise takes 45 minutes to 1 hour. The cable car ticket costs CHF 55 for adult and it covers all the 3 stages. The Swiss Travel Pass allows you to get the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise tickets at 50% discount. The tickets can be bought online as well as at the gondola station. Also, children below 12 years travel free if accompanied by parents holding Swiss Travel Pass. There are 5 main things to do at Matterhorn Glacier Paradise. 360-degree viewing platform, glacier ice palace, restaurant with panoramic windows, peak shop and cinema lounge. The signature attraction of Matterhorn Glacier Paradise is its 360-degree panorama viewing platform. is the highest viewing platform in the Europe, which gives awe-inspiring landscape views of snow-cladded 38 peaks over 4,000 meters and 14 glaciers in French, Italian and Swiss Alps. If you get clear weather, you can get stunning views of Mount Matterhorn, spot Mont Blanc, Europe's highest mountain, and then find the majestic Jungfrau towering in its all might at a distance. Matterhorn Glacier Paradise has the world's highest cinema lounge. Relax in the cozy shell seats to watch the film lasting a few minutes, covering subjects such as mountaineering, the local flora and fauna, the cable car history, and interesting pieces of information on ice and snow. The Ice Palace is home to meticulously crafted ice sculptures and hundreds of years old ice formations. Peak Shop is right next to the restaurant. Restaurant is situated at 3,883 meters. Matterhorn Glacier Paradise Restaurant is world's highest mountain restaurant. The specialities at the restaurant range from international cuisines to even local and Swiss preparations. If you have time at your hand, you can also do a mountain excursion to Gornograd from Zermatt. The train station for Gornograd is right opposite the Zermatt railway station. Gornograd also offers fabulous views of Mount Matterhorn from different angles. Friends, last but not the least, Mount Matterhorn is known to be the most photographed mountain in the world. So, a visit to Zermatt and Matterhorn Glacier Paradise is highly recommended to be a part of your Swiss holiday itinerary. So friends, that's about our excursion to the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise and all you need to know about it. If you've liked this video, do press the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our future travel vlogs. Till then, it's me, Kaumudi Joshi, taking your sign off. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.